Welcome yogis, my name is Cassandra Reinhart, founder of Yoga with Cassandra, and I'd like to personally invite you to my new 7-day morning yoga challenge. If you've ever wanted to start and maintain a consistent morning yoga practice, this is the perfect series for you. Every morning you'll be greeted with a new full-length morning yoga flow to wake you up and energize you for the day ahead so that you can build some strength, increase your flexibility, and reduce stress. We'll have different styles of yoga, such as Hatha yoga to build a strong foundation, Vinyasa to build strength and increase our heart rate, as well as Yin yoga to build flexibility and reduce stress. If you struggle to find the motivation to get on your mat each and every single morning, know that I completely understand your struggle, which is why I put this program together in the first place. If you follow through with this 7-day morning yoga challenge, you should get yourself in the habit to consistently get on your mat every single morning and hopefully develop some great positive habits for the future. These full-length classes are yours to keep forever, and they also come with some extra bonus goodies, such as an evening yoga flow in case you do happen to miss one of our morning practices and need to make it up, and it also comes with a copy of my ebook, 100 Yoga Poses. I hope you'll decide to join me for this 7-day yoga adventure. Let's begin our mornings in the absolute best way possible. See you on the mat.